Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today topic is history, very important battles, important for your SSC, Railway NTPC and Group D exams. See first one, Battle of 10 Kings. Year is important, 1400. Early Rigvedic tribal war on the bank of river Ravi. Next one, Battle of Hydaspes. Very important, year 326 BC. Alexander defeated King Raja Porus near Jhelum river. River is important here. Battle of Kalinga 261 BC. Ashoka major war later adopted Buddhism. Next one, Battle of Pushyamitra. Pushyamitra Shunga overthrew the Mauryas and founded Shunga dynasty. Shunga dynasty founded by Pushyamitra. Next one, Battle of Kannauj. Here is important, 647. Power struggle after Harshvardhana death for the control of North India. Battle of Taran, very important, 1191. Here is very important, Chauhan, okay, defeated Muhammad Ghori, first battle. In second battle, year 1192, Muhammad Ghori defeated Chauhan. Next one, Battle of Chandavar. Here is important, 1194. Ghori defeated Jayachandra, opening Delhi for Turkish rule. Next one, Battle of Panipat, very important, year 1526. Babur defeated Ibrahim Lodi, beginning the Mughal Empire. Battle of Khanwa, 1527. Babur defeated Rana Sanga. Next one, Battle of Chausa, okay, Chausa, 1539. Sher Shah Suri defeated Humayun. Next one, Battle of Kannauj, 1540. Sher Shah Suri against Humayun. Okay, Sher Shah defeated Humayun. Next one, Battle of Haldighat. Here is very important, 1576. Akbar's forces fought Maharana Pratap. Next one, Battle of Panipat, very important date, 1556. Akbar defeated Hemu. This is second Battle of Panipat. Battle of Talikota, okay, 1565. Here is very important too. Deccan Sultan defeated Vijayanagara Empire. Battle of Plassey, here is important, 1757. British defeated Nawab Sirajud-Dowla, start of British dominance. Next one, Battle of Buxar. Here is important too, 1764. British defeated combined Indian rules, strengthened company rule. That is Battle of Buxar, 1764. Battle of Srirangapatnam, 1799. Okay, British defeated Tipu Sultan, Mysore fell down. Okay, next one, Battle of Assia, 1803. British defeated Marathas, okay, during second Anglo-Maratha war. Battle of Koregaon, okay, here is important to 1818. British victory helped end Maratha power. Next one, Battle of Punjab, 1849. British defeated Sikhs. Next one, Battle of Delhi, 1857. British recaptured Delhi during 1857. Battle of Impal, Kohima, 1944. British Indian force stepped Japanese evidence. Next one, Indo-Pak war, okay, this is very important too. Indo-Pakistan war, 1947-48. First war over Kashmir after independence. Next one, Indo-China war, 1962. War between India and China. Next one, Indo-Pak war, 1965. Second major war between India and Pakistan. Indo-Pak war, 1971. India's victory led to formation of Bangladesh. Kargil war, important one, 1999. India defeated Pakistan in Kargil sector. ಓಕೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ನಾನು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಟಲ್ಸ್ನ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಿಂದ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು SSC ರೈಲ್ವೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ನ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್.